Welcome to the Business Playbook, your compass to turning your vision into velocity. Whether you're building a brand, scaling a movement, or daring to dream bigger than ever before, this playbook is your field guide. Inside, you'll find not just the strategy, but soul, real tools, real stories, and rituals for resilience. Because success isn't just about doing the work. It's about becoming the person who can lead with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Let's make the impossible possible, one bold play at a time. Hello, and welcome to the Business Playbook from Start to Scale. I'm here with Nicole Davidson. I'm really excited to tell you all about her story. And so Nicole is CEO and founder of Two Palms Accounting and Tax Solutions, and she is an author and business consultant. So let's get started. How did you decide, or what happened for you to decide to start your business?
My journey into this business really started from two key experiences. First, as a young college student, I had a frustrating encounter with a big chain tax prep service where they completely missed a significant education credit that I was entitled to. It made me realize how easily people could be underserved or overcharged if they didn't understand the system. I learned to do my own taxes and started helping family and friends. Later, while working in various office management and accounting roles, I kept seeing talented people, creatives, freelancers, new entrepreneurs who were brilliant at their craft, but completely overwhelmed by the financial side. They were making costly mistakes with business setup or bookkeeping simply because no one explained it clearly. That sparked the idea for my business to provide clear, affordable, and expert financial guidance. The problem I'm most passionate about solving is demystifying taxes and accounting. I want to take the stress and confusion out of it, whether for an individual or a business owner, so that they feel empowered and confident about their finances and can focus on achieving their goals.
So what was that pivotal moment that made you change what you were doing in your business trajectory?
A truly pivotal moment came a few years after I started offering seasonal tax prep as a side business. A long-term tax client who ran a growing freelance business mentioned how much time he was losing trying to manage his own bookkeeping, time that he desperately needed to actually do the work that brought in income. He asked if I offered monthly bookkeeping service, which at the time I did not. I was focused solely on taxes, but his question was a eureka moment that made me realize tax prep was just the tip of the iceberg. The real need was for ongoing financial support, bookkeeping, payroll guidance, understanding cash flow, and planning for growth. The conversation directly led to expanding my services beyond tax season into a full-service accounting and business consulting. It basically shaped my business into what it is today, a comprehensive financial partner for individuals and small businesses, not just seasonal tax advice.
I love that. So what is the difference between you and any other consultant?
I think what surprises people the most is the combination of deep expertise and that I genuinely care to help you. Many expect accounting and tax advice to be dry, intimidating, or even judgmental, but my approach is the opposite. Because I've navigated so many different business environments and personal financial situations myself, I understand the overwhelm. I focus on explaining complex things in plain English, creating a judgment-free zone where clients feel comfortable to ask any question. I also leverage technology for convenience. Secure online portals, virtual meetings, making professional financial help accessible without the old school hassle. It's about providing high-level expertise without the intimidation factor, truly partnering with clients to achieve their goals.
So let's pivot into the book now. What made you want to be part of this collaborative book?
I was really drawn to the chicken soup style of this book. My own journey, like many entrepreneurs, was not a straight line. It was full of challenges, pivots, and learning curves. And I believe that sharing these real, relatable stories is incredibly powerful. Business advice often focuses only on strategy, but the emotional and personal resilience required is huge. I wanted to contribute my story to show other women, especially those just starting out or facing hurdles, that they are not alone. It's about sharing vulnerability and strength, demonstrating that setbacks can be overcome, and hopefully inspiring someone else to keep pushing towards their own business dream.
So what did you learn about yourself as you were writing the book? What did you learn from kind of this journey?
Writing the chapter made me realize how interconnected my personal journey and professional development have been. It wasn't just about learning accounting rules or business strategies. It was about learning resilience, problem solving, and empathy through life's challenges. It reinforced that my core message isn't just about saving money on taxes, although that is the goal. The message is about empowerment through financial literacy, giving people the clarity and confidence to take control of your financial future, whether it is for yourself or a business, is the why that surfaced most strongly.
If there was one message you wanted the listeners to take away from this, what would that message be?
If there's one thing I hope people take away, it's this. Your resilience is your greatest asset. Don't let challenges or a non-traditional path discourage you. Embrace the lessons, keep learning, start where you are, and know that you absolutely have the strength to build the future you envision.
Nicole, I'm so excited to have you in the book and being a partner of sorts, because I'm sure we're going to be doing other things together. And I know your business is going to be amazing, and can't wait to see how that flourishes and how that grows. I know you're kind of working on other things, getting more titles, getting more things to kind of strengthen your business. So I'm really excited to see how that journey continues for you. Thank you, everybody, for listening to all the authors, and I'll see you on the next one. You've reached the final page, but this is just your beginning. With every play you've learned and every insight you've gained, you're now equipped to step into your power and lead with intention. The business of your dreams is not a far-off fantasy. It's unfolding now with every action you take. So celebrate how far you've come. Revisit these pages when you need a spark. And above all, keep dreaming forward, because anything is possible when your business is built on purpose and you believe it can be.